Greetings, this is part 8. I added 2 more allegorical gun rights, terror sequences this morning. Lower left here, and lower right there. I'm going to read all the text here. It says, between 1968, when I drew this small pencil drawing, lower left. It's this here, like a cowboy sort with a rifle, gun belt. It's signed K, English name Kenny Segan, 1968. Lower left, in 2021, 1,500,000, that's approximate, that's pretty close, Americans died from legislatively and judicially enabled gun rights. Aiden Leos, 6, will never grow up. My ink portrait of Aiden there. He was slain, I think it was May 21st. This year while riding in a car, being driven by his mom on his way to kindergarten. A couple, the driver, road rage, and they shot at the car with Aiden and his mom and Aiden's sister, and Aiden was murdered. Just sickening. American gun violence, which is judicially and legislatively enabled by governors, state legislators, by judges, and by U.S. Supreme Court justices who call themselves pro-life, but with their support of gun rights, they're pro-death, pro-terrorism, and they enable the ongoing genocide. All right, there you have it. I'll re-video it after the framing is done. I have a beautiful frame. The wood matches the this coloration nicely. All right, to be continued. Well, just after I'll video it again after it's framed.